Hey everyone, Jason Catrone here.
Shelby Rowan.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective. And guess what we are today, Shelby? We are joining, we've already been members members out there, don't hit us or hate us too hard. We are.
I still don't know what you're about to say.
Okay, I'm just gonna say the BTS Army. Today we are joining the throngs again of the BTS Army. You guys have been with us since the beginning of this channel when we first started doing BTS stuff and reactions. Of course, BTS took a little break. We've been still doing some like the solo stuff. But this little drop this past week or so has been like big deal, big news. The Army has
a big deal.
Been reignited. I mean, the force of the BTS Army.
It's very serious.
It's like...
And I wondered when you were like, don't hate us for saying this, like, is there like an induction, like a membership process?
That's why I said it. I don't know. I don't know that we're true.
Do I have to sell something on the black market to join it? Because they're real serious. And I respect it.
You just have to give a kidney.
No big deal.
No, I don't know.
Anyway, so I'm like, maybe we should say we're honorary members because I don't know if we've
I think we're honorary members in the sense that we react to their videos, right?
Yeah, totally.
We haven't been to boot camp. I haven't even been to South Korea. I really want to go.
Same.
Would love to go.
I've never been. I don't know what I was about to start saying. I was about to start saying I like Jungkook a lot. You know, my kids, my small children, are big Charlie Puth fans.
I sat next to Charlie Puth last week at dinner. He was at a table right next to me. Not even kidding. Yeah, I didn't tell you that, Carlos.
By you.
Yeah, yeah, I did.
What were you at?
I was just at dinner, and he was there with his manager.
Was this when you were in LA?
No, it was here in town, in Nashville.
At the Soho House?
Yeah.
Freaking so annoed by you right now.
I know.
My kids are going to be mad at me when I tell them this story.
Well, really
did you say hi?
No. They, I kept looking for maybe an opportunity to but no, they just stayed there by themselves. I didn't bother them.
Okay. Yeah. Well, that's the Nashville way. I respect that. But my kids love Charlie Puth. I actually took my daughter, I took my daughter for her first concert. It was actually a Charlie Puth concert when he did the Ascend Theater here in Nashville like a year ago. And it was so much fun, but that was a little bit of my entry into Jungkook's solo stuff. Was his song with Charlie Puth, which is Left and Right. Yeah, great song. So I'm excited about this.
Yo, this is gonna be great.
And I'm gonna just sweep it under the rug. This whole Charlie Puth story.
Yeah, we'll talk more about that off camera.
I'll nurse my bitterness later.
Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. You know. So, Army, before we do this video, we got it for you today. Hit that subscribe button. We'll give you more of what you love and want. Just follow along with us. Follow us over to Patreon. Join us over there. We get some more behind the scenes stuff. Another kind of BTS behind the scenes.
It almost sounds like you're about to say BS.
Oh, yeah. But we do a lot of BSing too.
Yeah,
the fluffy stuff to make it fun. But,
shenanigans.
And then we just started our podcast, so go and watch the Vocal Lab podcast for those of you who are really into music and want to be doing stuff in the music biz.
You could have asked Charlie Puth if he wanted to be on our podcast.
I would have. And it still could happen.
Charlie, do you want to be on our podcast?
Great things happen.
This is not about Charlie.
And
this is about Jungkook.
We'll do a podcast with Charlie for you. I want
both of them.
Yeah, I want Jungkook
Let's have them both on.
Yeah. All right, let's no further delay the Army's desires as we watch this video. That's really amazing.
It's like the cover of a Restoration Hardware magazine. I like it.
Starboy, you're my hero. Every day I wonder if this all is just a dream.
Wow, that's really dope.
Without your love, I'm nothing. You mean more than you know. And words escape me whenever you close. I try to put it into words, but it don't matter. My pen and paper can never do quite enough. It's the truth, it's the truth. We got something rare, nothing could break.
What does it spell?
You fill my world with wonder. Everybody needs somebody. You've been that somebody, so stay with me and keep holding on. Never let go, go, go.
Oh, that's cool.
That's a hook.
That is a hook.
So simple.
Brilliant.
I like these like things they're holding at the stadium. These globe lights. Those are so
Yeah,
cool.
they're so cool.
Every time I'm in, you're the one I'm with me from the start. Always the best part of my day. Being who you are, in the dark you were the light that led me to you. I'm grateful for you, it's simple with you. I'll never leave you, I'm better with you. It's too good with you, it's my turn to give back for all that you do. When the days get longer, you fill my world with wonder. Everybody needs somebody, you've been that somebody, so stay with me and keep holding on. Never let go, 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 go. Never let go.
I mean, that is a hook.
Never let go, 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 go. I like that. Hold back.
Yeah.
I mean, I don't even just need to hear the song once. I just need to hear the chorus once, and I'm like
Totally.
hooked in. You know, I'm gonna
Yeah.
sing this all day.
Yeah.
Never let go.
Yes.
Brilliant.
I love it.
Absolutely brilliant.
Well,
Absolutely
Show
brilliant.
you how I
For so many reasons, because I mean, to write and release a song for your fans, to be like, this is literally for you. The song is about you.
That's brilliance in and of itself.
How come more people aren't doing that?
I thought it when I was sitting there watching it. I was like, every artist in the world should
I
do this
know.
for the fan
Now I'm
base.
like, how come this person hasn't sung a song to
I
me?
know. Really, really,
love it.
really, not only brilliant, but it's just really endearing that he did this for
Yeah.
the Army.
Yeah.
Like, that's so special and sweet.
They do have a very,
And-
very unique fan base.
They, of course, as does Taylor Swift.
Right.
Like, the
Yeah.
Swifties
oh,
are.
T Swift needs to do this.
Yeah, I mean, they're like, it's almost unfathomable. That's hard to say. Unfathomable. Say it real fast.
Unfathomable.
Wow, you can say it. Unfathomable. I can't do that. But unfathomable. Unfathomable. Why can I do that?
Unfathomable.
Unfathomable. Unfathomable.
There you go.
Oh, wow.
You got it.
See, I just need a vocal coach. It's just that word that they have such an extensive fan base in the
Yeah.
Army. Really incredible. And so this was really special to see this. That, again, that we kept commenting, the hook is just like,
Never let go,
go,
go, go, go, go.
go, never let go. I mean, sorry there.
Yeah.
Your kids are going to be singing this nonstop.
Totally. Yeah.
This was amazing.
I
Army,
love it. I love it.
so good to see you guys again. We love it. We love you guys.
Tell us what you like the most
Yeah.
about the song.
Tell us that. Tell us
Comment
what
on
else
that.
you want us to like react to. It's been a minute
Yeah.
that we've done a BTS
Right.
centered kind of thing.
Yes,
So
I enjoyed
let
that.
us know. All that stuff's still out there.
I'll
So
pop on.
until next time, keep
Yep.
being strong, Army out there. We love you. Until next time, I'm Jason Catrone.
And I'm Shelby Rollins.
And we are Vocal Lab Collective.